So over the last 4 years, I've hugely resonated with the work of Dr. Peter Levine, with his 45 years experience of helping people heal from trauma and his somatic re-experiencing approach. He talks about how animals in the wild perfectly model how to complete the trauma cycle. When they're faced with a threat by a predator, a huge amount of energy is produced to make them strong to fight that threat or run away from it. The fight or flight response discharges that energy from the body. But the other survival response is the freeze response, where the biology of the animal tells them they're more likely to survive if they play dead. And when the threat has passed and the predator is no longer a threat, they shake vigorously and breathe deeply to release the energy that's been charged. But because of our conditioning and our social needs to belong to something bigger than ourselves, humans are not so good at this completion of the trauma cycle in order to come out of that freeze response, having been faced with a real or a perceived threat. So we suppress the emotion. And that creates blockages in the flow of our energy and blockages in the body's ability to heal. It creates avoidance strategies where we distract ourselves from feeling what we've labeled as negative feelings, and where we've added a narrative that we're not good enough or we can't speak our truth, as we'll be rejected or abandoned, in my case. So a body in freeze is working overtime to constrict against movement. So every desired expression from speaking, moving, and doing is literally held back by the muscles of your body. So reconnecting with the body in a safe and gradual way enables you to reconnect with the stuck energy so it can be felt and released. Releasing that energy then enables you to release the stories that you've attached to the avoidance of those feelings. And in my case, take action and start to gather evidence that it is actually safe to speak my truth without being rejected or abandoned. And I am actually more than enough just the way I am.